Good morning, boys and girls. Today is day 7 of our sort number 51 with the short vowel sounds of the E, I, O, and U. And that's our CVC pattern. I need you to go ahead and lay your headers out and sort your words. Pause the video until you're done. Now that you're done sorting your words, I'm going to unveil my words so you can see them and check that you have them in the correct categories. Pause your video to check over your work. Now that you checked it over, you're going to be just like the teacher. I need you to take a piece of paper and I need you to cover your words up. Just like me, cover them up. And then I need you to take your notebook and I need you to go to the next available page in your notebook. And I need you to go ahead and lay it down on top of your covered up words, just like me. And we're going to take our handy dandy pencil. I wish I could write in pencil, but then you won't be able to see it. And then we're going to write down our date. For me today is 11-7-20. I know you have a different date, but you know it's in that corner down there on your laptop. And today is our blind sort. Blind sort. And you know with a blind sort, we check our capital letters for our words and that it's underlined. You know, with our blind sort, you need to write as many words as you remember down. But first, we need to put our 4 categories. So down the middle, down the middle, down this middle, and writing our headers. So I have the short E, the short I, the short O, and the short U. And I'm going to draw a line underneath it. All right. So now that we have all that written down, we're going to have to remember, and I'm going to give you 1 word per category, but you got to remember the rest of them. So one of our words for the short E was yes. And remember, we're skipping a line for those low-lying letters and those tall letters so they don't interfere with each other. Go ahead and write down all the words you know that start with the letter E. Oh, and for the short I, one of the words I remember is a pig, because I think pigs are cute. Pig. And I remember that you're skipping the line. Write down all the other words that you remember without looking. For my O, I remember one of the words was hot. I love it when the weather is hot. Go write all the O words that you remember. And one of my U words is bus. I wonder if you write the bus or a car. Now that I wrote down my words, and hopefully you wrote down all the other words, I need to go and unveil. If I had written down all the words I know, I would unveil. That means uncover. Go like this. Just showed you another word. And then I know that my word yes, when I check, is spelled correctly. I need to check you to check all the spelling of all your words and then add the words that you don't have. Same with pig. I can check and I know it's spelled correctly. Check all the words you remembered if you spelled them correctly, then add the words that you forgot. Same with hot. I know that's spelled correctly. Check all the words you spelled if you spelled them correctly, and then add the words you do not have. Bus is spelled correctly. Check all the words you knew if they're spelled correctly, and then add the words you don't have. When you wrote down all your words, post it on Class Dojo so I see your awesome work. See you next time.